A tragic end to the search for Kyle Richards Sunday morning as the 9-year-old's body was found in Harborview, St. Andrew. Kyle was washed away during a heavy downpour in Augustown, St. Andrew on Wednesday. After 4 days of frantic searching, a sad end. While many conceded that the likelihood of finding 9-year-old Kyle Richards alive was slim, discovering his body was still painful. Community members, along with political representatives and the police, have been out searching every day since Kyle fell in a drain in Augustown, St. Andrew, and was washed away by flood waters. Councillor for the Papine Division, Venetia Phillips, said on Sunday that search team got bigger.
Members of the JDF Coast Guard, we also had the K9 Division support with the dogs. And again, we got the support of Marine community members and family, to include his mom. You know, we had teams coming from 2 directions, the community of Augustown and from Harborview.
It's understood that after searching for some time, Kyle's body was found in a quarrying area in Harborview about 7:30. Despite the tragic outcome, Ms. Phillips indicated that for most, including Kyle's relatives, there is some solace that the uncertainty and sleepless nights during the search period are now over.
There is, a sense of relief that at least, the family can get closure. You can imagine the pain, the trauma, both on family members and the community. So, yes, we're happy that we didn't have to, break or leave it to chance, but in fact that we found him so the family can at least be able to start to deal with the reality of losing Kyle. So it is a very, very painful and traumatic experience for the family and the community. So we just have to hold their hands and support them at the time.
Kyle was a student of the Hope Valley Experimental School in St. Andrew. He was reportedly walking with a relative and 2 other children last Wednesday afternoon in Goldsmith Villa when he fell into a drain and was swept away by the rapid flowing waters. Ms. Phillips says attempts are now underway to assist with counseling for the traumatized family.